TOEFL exercise, skills 1 through 3. In this exercise, listen carefully to the short conversation and question in the recording, and then choose the best answer to the question. Number 1.
Let's stop and get something to drink.
Some coffee would be nice.
What does the man mean? Number 2.
Let's go for a walk in the park.
No, not today. It's too cloudy and cold.
What does the woman mean? Number 3.
I have trouble sleeping at night.
You could try counting sheep.
What does the woman suggest to the man? Number 4.
Have you heard that the department is changing the graduation requirements for our major?
Yes, and I just can't believe it.
What does the man mean? Number 5.
I think we're going to be here for a while.
But we've been standing in line for almost an hour.
What does the woman mean? Number 6.
The conductor is coming down the aisle.
Yes, he's collecting the train fare from the passengers.
What is happening? Number 7.
Have you heard about the new management training program?
It will start later this week.
What does the man mean? Number 8.
Does anyone know where the fire got started?
It must have started in the attic.
What does the woman mean? Number 9.
Aren't you going to tell me exactly what happened?
I assumed that you already knew the truth.
What does the man mean? Number 10.
Have you seen any of the sketches?